I literally found the best way to make money online with AI. And the good news is you don't need to be a super skilled expert. You also don't need a lot of time. And no, you don't need tens of thousands of dollars in startup capital like you would if you were trying to do e-commerce or if you were simply trying to open up a regular brick and mortar business like a gym or a hair salon or even a bakery. And just so you know, this is the real deal. I've included screenshots of payment notifications I receive on my phone. Now, if you're wondering exactly how that money was made, I'm going to show you that in just a second. So what's the business model exactly? Simple. We build faceless AI YouTube businesses. Notice I'm not saying faceless AI YouTube channels, because when you think about having a YouTube channel, you think about like the big YouTubers, right? You think about guys like PewDiePie, you think about guys like MrBeast. They're known as entertainers, they're like performers. And usually they're not business people. Like, sure, later on they do monetize, they typically sell merch or drinks or these kinds of products, that many people can buy. But what we want to do specifically is to use YouTube as a way to get traffic on our offer. And our offer is going to be digital products. So by digital products, it could be ebooks, it could be an online course, it could even be coaching if you want to do it. And you don't have to be an expert. You can make a full-blown, extremely qualitative digital product using tools like ChatGPT or Claude. And I'll show you how to do that as well. Now, I just want to mention, if you want to get step-by-step custom help with this exactly, after you finish watching this video, check out the link in the description below. I've made a free training that shows you why this is literally an insane opportunity and why you need to jump on it now. Otherwise, it's going to be too late soon. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll give you a customized step-by-step game plan specifically made for you so you can start this faceless AI YouTube business and monetize it as quickly as possible. I mean, when you do this right, within your first year, you can make between 30 to 100K plus when you do it right. But most people don't do it right because they try to do it alone. So now I'm going to show you a couple examples of faceless channels. We're going to use this site called Social Blade. It allows us to see public analytics of the channels. You can't see private analytics. I think that's just a privacy confidentiality matter. The first example I want to show you is Paint Explainers. So it's typically a channel that's going to explain stuff to people with paint. So if we go to his videos, let's see his oldest, 2 years ago, with 6.2 million views. If we sort by most popular, his most popular video got 11 million views. He's got almost 2 million subscribers and over 254 million views. There's no shorts. Like, in terms of monetization, shorts are shit, to be honest with you, because they don't pay you that much when it comes to the ads. And also, it's very difficult to promote your own products through a short, because on YouTube, there's long form content. If it was on Instagram or on TikTok, there's pretty much only short form content on those platforms, so it works a little bit differently. But YouTube, you want to know why it's the #1 best platform you want to be on? For a couple reasons. First, there's long form content. People are much more likely to buy your products when they spend 11 minutes with you, even just 8 minutes with you, or 20, 30, 40 minutes with you, as opposed to watching a 30-second short. There's just a lot more trust built into a 12-minute video. There's studies that have shown that for somebody to buy, and the more expensive it is, the longer it takes, people need to consume 7 hours of content. Now, it can be less, it can be more, but on average, when people watch 7 hours of your content, they tend to buy what you've got to offer. Now, let's go to his latest. As you can see, 3 days ago, over 200K views. So let's see what it looks like together. So as you can see, it is a simple video. It's like something you can make in Paint. You could technically get the AI to do it for you, because AI, you can tell it to make drawings for you, and it makes insane drawings. Like, it is pretty crazy. Now, let's say you wanted to remake similar kinds of videos. You will see on the sidebar like this in the suggested tab, plenty of similar videos. For example, this one, Good Enough, seems to be a similar channel, Painted Explainers. If we look at this one might be a Painted Explainers video too, because chat history, the most one-sided wars in history, that looks like it. This one, Trust Me Bro, seems to be the same thing. So if you can just make a folder like this, add folder, not add page, add folder, and for example, you call it AI Research, then you can put all these videos, save them to your folder, AI Research, and boom, you can come back to it anytime. The other type of channel I want to show you is something that's called Easy Actually. I've seen a couple channels like that. It's typically something you can do in Paint super easily. So they started 2 years ago, most popular video with almost 9 million views. And they have no shorts as well. They've got over 31 million views and 1 million subscribers. Pretty crazy, huh? If we go to their latest, getting lean is simple actually. Let's click on it.
Ways to compensate for a lack of purpose.
So as you can see, it is literally a stick figure. Anybody can draw that, like even me, and I'm a shit drawer. I gave up on drawing, so I never learned. But as you can see, it's literally just drawing. So to make this kind of video, all you have to do is to make the drawings, and then you assemble them in a video editing software, like a diaporama kind of. So if you wanted to remake this kind of content, if I were you, I would ask myself, I would watch the whole video. You can watch it in 2x speed. Let's see, that's the timer. You can watch it in 2x speed, like this. You can even have extensions on Chrome for free, which let you speed up the video even more. And then what I would do is count how many times the pictures change. For example, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a video, so it doesn't count as more. Let's see, 5, 6. And then you can tell ChatGPT, okay, so in this 11-minute long video, there were 100 scene changes, for example. So give me on average, how often should I change scene in my video? And then you can use that as a benchmark. It'll typically be every couple seconds. Let's go see another channel in the fitness niche this time. This one is called Captain Kalo. There's plenty of channels like that. For example, Captain Workout or Iron Vein. If we go look his videos, he only posted 6 months ago. And he almost has 1 million subscribers with 52 million views. And he has a calisthenics program. He puts it in the link in the description in his videos. Like, just let me show you directly. The calisthenics program, you click on it. As you can see, 1999, 76 reviews. If we just do the math on this, that's $1,500. Now, the thing is, most people don't leave reviews. And what I've noticed is on Amazon, usually only 10% of people leave reviews, sometimes a lot less. So if we do times 10, that's 15 grand made in 6 months, 7 months. And there's the ad revenue then on top. And I'm sure he got a lot more sales than that. With 52 million views, he got a lot more sales. As you can see here, there's other channels like that. Bioforceman, Calisthenics, Bonham. There's tons of stuff like that. Evolve and Build, Captain Workout, Fit and Curious. Then there's another kind of faceless channel, Omega Body, Yellow Dude, The Core Man. There's so many of them. So you can find these channels very easily because simply the algorithm wants to recommend the kind of content that you watch. So it's going to give you more of that in the suggested. Another kind of channel is a dating/relationships channel. So for example, this guy, as you can see, he sells an ebook. If we sort his videos by most popular, it was 7 months ago. By oldest, sorry, and by most popular, 3 months ago with over 200k views. I can tell you, when you sell something, you get 200k views, you funnel all those people into your product. Now, I don't know why he doesn't have the link for it in the description. Maybe he wasn't selling it back then. That's something that's important to do when you start selling a product, which you should be doing in your first week. Honestly, if you love money, you should always update your video descriptions. So let's see his links. As you can see, it sells for $51. And then there's another product, which sells for $37. Both are ebooks. And if we look at how many views he got, almost 1 million views. It's long form as well. I mean, you can get a lot of sales from 1 million views. And if we saw his latest video, 43k views. Let's take a look at what kind of content it is. So as you can see, it is very simple animations, again, stick figures. The AI can make the pictures for you, and then you simply assemble them in a diaporama fashion. So how do we make money with these channels I showed you exactly? First, there is AdSense revenue. For example, I literally got a screenshot from Google Images, and this video was made in 2021. And back then, AI wasn't as good as it is today. It didn't really make this kind of faceless content I've just shown you. To make this video, probably what happened is they had a person draw, like make the actual drawings. Then they paid another person to record the voiceover. Then they paid another person again to edit the video. And I forgot at first, they paid somebody to do the research, and then they paid somebody to script the video word for word. So as you can see, and they paid somebody to do the thumbnail as well. So as you can see, that would have costed you a lot of money. So, for example, the video might have costed you a couple $100, or even $1,000. So you might have gotten 3.5K, but it would have cost a lot. So nowadays what we do is we use AI so we don't have all those costs, and we sell a digital product. The big advantage of a digital product, especially when you sell it via an organic channel. So what I mean by that is via free content, via a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, etc. You're not paying for ads. meaning it's a lot cheaper. You pay with your time at first when you build these kinds of channels. You either pay with time or money in life. You just gotta choose. But time is worth more than money. So you can use AI tools, free or paid, to make the content for you. It does roughly 90% of the work. And then the 10% of manual work, at first you do it yourself, or you delegate it to a VA, like a cheap VA online. And that's how you can scale to multiple channels or really pump out content daily without having to burn out yourself. And most creators aren't even doing this properly. For example, this one, Mr. English channel, he's got 1 million subs, he gets millions of views per month, and he still doesn't sell a single digital product. It is crazy. So when you sell digital products, margins are very high, up to 95%, like around 5% in payment processing fees. But if you have VAs or people who do this for you, you will probably keep 90% of everything in profit. So if you make 100K, you keep 90K. That's a lot. And if you scale to multiple channels, you can turn this into a multi-million-dollar per year business. Even with one single channel if you do it properly. So what you're gonna need to do is to pick your niche first. As you can see here, I put a list of different niches that you can do. There's many more than that. Obviously, feel free to just do some research on YouTube, but you have to understand one thing, especially if you want to sell digital products. There's three main markets in life that people care about: health and fitness, wealth and investing, and dating and relationships. These are the three hottest markets ever. Now, health and fitness by itself is not really a market. You have to pick something within it. It could be running. It could be health for everybody, no matter what sport. It could be bodybuilding. It's easier to sell a product if you do one specific thing. For example, if you want to sell a bodybuilding product, make a channel about bodybuilding, not about running, not about cardio. And then in dating, there's different levels, there's different audiences. There's men, there's women, there's people who want to improve their social skills. It's a very valuable skill as well. So I invite you to pause the video, take a look at this. Again, if you want to get a free training on this, exactly how to do it, check out the link in the description after you're done watching this video and apply to book your free strategy call with me, where I'm going to give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can start your own YouTube AI automation business. Again, you don't need a lot of time or a lot of money or even to be an expert. You don't need to be an expert. That's exactly why this is probably the most beginner-friendly business model I've literally ever seen, because AI does the work for us. Now, I've put here a visual of exactly the steps to make this kind of channel work. Once you pick your niche, let's say you're gonna make sleep sound videos, like for example, sleep sounds, ambient. As you can see, these channels like cozy warm ambience, let's see when they started. Started 3 years ago. Their most popular video has 10 million views. I can tell you the ad revenue on a 10 million view video, even if you have a low RPM, revenue per mile, meaning how you get paid per 1,000 views, exactly, because YouTube takes a cut, but the RPM, revenue per mile, it's after YouTube cut. The CPM is the cost per mile, cost per 1,000 views. So it's not as accurate. It doesn't tell you how much money you make because YouTube keeps 45% and give you 55%, which is a fair trade-off in my opinion, because without the creator, YouTube wouldn't make money, but without YouTube, the creator wouldn't make money. So it's more than fair. And again, if you are smart, you're gonna sell your own products, make 10, 20 times what you make from the ads revenue. And if you're wondering, well, what kind of products could we possibly sell for a sleep sound channel? You could make custom audios for people. You could have a platform with a monthly subscription so they can access new audios, that kind of thing. So 10 million views divided by 1,000 is 10,000. If they get a $1 RPM, that video made them $10,000. Like, I don't see RPMs below $1, and that's low. If they have a $3 RPM, they just made 30 grand from one video. $3 RPM is not that hard to get. It's not that much. You just basically post any kind of content, you can have that. So they literally made 10, 20, 30 grand from one video. And it's the same thing. So if we go to their most recent, the good news with these channels is you can pump out crazy volume and get a lot of views. For example, let's go to their channel on Social Blade. As you can see, they got 2.6 million views, estimated monthly earnings between $600 to 11 grand. Now, usually the low estimate is not accurate. Usually it tends to be in the middle or towards the high range. And sometimes it's a lot more than that, because Social Blade doesn't have access to all the analytics of the channel. For example, Social Blade doesn't know if most of your viewers are from Pakistan or if they are from USA or Australia. Obviously, if your viewers are from wealthier countries, they have a higher purchasing power, which means YouTube is going to pay you more because advertisers naturally pay more to show their products to these people. So this channel could be making double that. We just don't know for sure. But it's a solid estimate. Just don't take it 100% accurately. And all they do is repost. Well, maybe not repost, but it's the same kind of thing. This is an AI generated picture. As you can see, this is AI generated. Let's listen to the sound. It is literally just rain sounds. And obviously, that's a long video. It's 11 hours long. Actually, 24 hours long. 1 day. Okay, I got confused by the timestamp. But basically, what you can do is ask the AI to make you an image like this. You can use Grok AI, you can use Whisk AI. And then what you do is you can simply type on Google AI to generate sounds. And one software that does it, that I personally use, is 11 Labs. They can, for example, you tell the software to make sounds and music for you, it'll do that. If I go to my 11 Labs, for example, as you can see, I can tell it a prompt to create music. And if we listen to any of them, for example, this could be a kind of meditation music, as you can see, and then you loop it, or you add a couple like these and you loop them. And the good news is you don't have to worry about licensing fees and all this kind of crap, copywriting, because the AI made the sounds for you. That's it. That's all you gotta do is to loop it. It's the easiest video editing ever. Even my grandmother could do it. And you know how old people are with technology usually, so you're not gonna struggle with it. So depending on what kind of video it is, you want sounds or a voiceover that's gonna read your script. With this kind of video, the good news is you don't need a script. So you can skip that part, boom, gone. But typically you'd need to have the video idea. For example, if we go to this channel, what I would do typically is sort their videos by most popular and remake the most popular ones first. And then you'll see on your channel, some videos will pop off, some won't. The goal is to try to remake similar kinds of videos as the ones that popped off. Then part 4, the editing. So depending on what you do, it's going to be simpler or it's going to take a little bit more time. But even with AI tools, AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And for the thumbnail, again, it depends on what kind of content you're going to be making. AI can make this kind of thumbnail for you. You can ask ChatGPT to describe this picture and then to remake a similar one with Whisk AI. So it will give you a prompt, you paste it into Whisk AI, and it will create the picture for you. Or if you're making this kind of content, for example, as you can see, all you have to do is to just put the picture. That's it. You don't have to put text on it. You don't have to do anything. Or you can just add the simple text, like for example, this one, January chill, or whatever is relevant. But most of them don't have text on it. They work perfectly fine. And then it's uploading the videos. It's simple. You drag and drop the video to YouTube. You set your date, you set the description, etc. Again, if you sell products, don't forget to put them in the description, please. Otherwise, you're leaving so much money on the table, it's stupid. And a great strategy for best results is to post daily. Now, at first, don't post twice a day. At first, I suggest you post once a day. The exception, I would say, is you can post more right from the start if you are making this kind of content, because it takes very little time, very little effort, and you can just pump it out because people love that. If you're making videos which have a script, start by posting once a day. Depending on the complexity, start by posting once every 2 days or once every 3 days, but that's the maximum. Don't go below that. If you can make daily videos, it's the best. Just take a look at the channels in the competition. How often are they posting? And then see if it would work to do the same kind of posting or once a day or even more than that. Now, you can try to do this alone, but I know for a fact 99% of people fail. I've talked to hundreds of people on one-to-one Zoom calls, and I've also helped a couple dozen people to monetize these kind of channels, and I've seen what works and what doesn't. So in the link in the description right now, you'll find a free training that will show you how we build these mainly passive AI automation businesses without being an expert. We use the AI to do it for us without having a lot of time. It only takes 30 to 60 minutes per day, and without having a lot of startup capital. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. And on that call, we'll customize for you a step-by-step game plan so you can start this kind of business and get monetized as quickly as possible. With that being said, link is in the description below, and I will see you on the other side.